So I want to start with that breaking news because we see, Pfizer and BioNTech, seeking that approval for 12 to 15-year-olds. They tweeted it out this morning. I believe we have that right there. So you see the CEO saying the urgency to expand this vaccine to include younger populations. So they're submitting for that. Now, the FDA, we know, does not need to consult with this independent advisory panel before amending the Pfizer EUA here. So they might still do that in the interest of full transparency, so I'm not saying they won't. But Dr. Griffin, what are your thoughts on why we haven't seen that happen here in the U.S. yet?
I think we're just on the clock here. I think it's impending, right? And Lucy and I were talking about every 15 minutes we check our phones just to see if it's happened yet. But on the 9th of April, Pfizer announced that they wanted this, and we've seen the data now for a little while. The FDA wants to make sure that they do, as they always do, due diligence here, look through the data. The data, as you mentioned, it's compelling. Kids, 12 to 15, 100%. They were checking these kids, testing them. None of the vaccinated kids got infected and no safety issues. So it's really any day now. There's about a 15-day from the time they announce before they're allowed to. It gives the public sort of a chance to look at things, to write in, make comments. Anytime now, I think we're going to see this expansion, and it's going to be fantastic.
So we could soon start hitting refresh, you think?
Keep hitting refresh, keep hitting refresh. I was like, while we're on the air, maybe it'll come out. No, they usually announce this about 6 a.m. in the morning. So
yes.
Every morning, get up at 6 a.m., check, wait till, I've been saying it's going to be in May, which is basically going to be, Saturday or sooner. Once this happens, just think about the impact. Summer camps, schools, really getting to that point where we can replace fear with facts, where we can really get a low risk population out there doing so many important things, right? You miss a summer, you never get that back. So we're really hoping that we can get those kids on board with vaccines prior to all these exciting summer activities.